morning, students. Today we are going to start here this NCERT math. All of you take this NCERT math book. This book available in school. See this math magic book. See this book NCERT math. In this NCERT math, this first chapter is building with bricks. You see here only practically part is there. Then first chapter, page number 1, building with bricks. Brick patterns from this Jagriti school. Here one Jagriti school, and you see here only this brick pattern. This is the true story of this Jagriti school in this Murshidabad and West Bengal. Murshidabad in West Bengal. When its building was being made, there was a plan to make brick pattern. You see this brick pattern on the floor and walls. See this on the floor and walls of this brick pattern. This Jamal, Kalu and this PR were the masons for this brick work, and they wanted to get these new ideas for this school building. So they took their other friends to see the old tomb of this Murshid Quli Khan. See these photos here, this brick pattern of these flowers and walls you see there. This building has a big floor with about these 2000 beautiful brick patterns. This building was here 2000 here brick patterns, and they were made by these masons this long back about 300 years ago. Look how the bricks are arranged in these 5 floor patterns. See this how this brick pattern in this Jagriti school. First one pattern you see this brick pattern here given pattern, then second one pattern here 5 types of this pattern of these bricks you see this. Third one you see this brick pattern, this fourth one and fifth one. Which floor pattern do you like the most? Then out of these 5 here 5 this brick pattern is given. Then which floor pattern do you like this most? Then you write here. Have you seen these such patterns anywhere? No. The masons came back excited. Jamal said, in those days they had made so many interesting brick patterns. We had forgotten these. Let us make some nice designs to the floor of this school. Each mason made a different brick pattern. You see here this different brick pattern here. Such a beautiful building. Then children play and sing on it and also make this new pattern themselves. They make here this new pattern. You see this brick new patterns here. Then next one see this page number 3. Here different types of these brick patterns is given. You see this picture here different types of these brick patterns here, and letters given here A B C D E F G H I J K. Then which pattern is made in a circle? You see here which pattern is made in a circle. This one J is made in a circle. This also made in a circle J and E. Then in which pattern can you show here mirror holes a line in H, mirror holes in line here H and I. You see this brick pattern. Now you draw some new floor patterns. Then you draw in your notebook again some floor patterns. Then next one, how to draw a brick. You know how to draw a brick. There are 2 photos of this same brick. You see this. There are 2 photos of this same brick. In one photo we can see only one face of this brick. You see here. Here one photo is given here brick, and you see here only one face of this brick. In the other we can see these 3 faces. In other you can see here these 3 faces. Then circle the photo showing that these 3 faces. How many faces in all does a brick have? Is any face a square? No, rectangle type. Then draw the smallest face of the brick. You draw here the smallest face of this brick. You know brick, this rectangle type of this cuboid type. rectangle type of this brick. This is the figure of this cuboid. Which of these are the faces of a brick? When you see here given this, which are these faces of this brick, this face and sides of these faces here. Then you see again which faces of this brick and which of these drawing of a brick mark here. Drawing of a brick, this cuboid type of this brick. Then make a drawing of this box to show here these three of its faces. This compass box, see this also cuboid type. Then next one, see this in your textbook, this page number 5. A wall that will not fall. A wall that will not fall. One day, this Munia and Janib are playing with bricks and are making their walls. You see here bricks is here kept one by one, and here they with bricks and making their walls. Each makes a different wall. Then Jinab says her wall will not fall easily. Then these masons too do not put bricks this one on top of the other as Munia has done. Here this Janib says her wall will not fall easily. Masons too do not put bricks here one on top of this other as Munia has done. What do you think? Which wall will be stronger here? Which wall will be stronger? You see these two photos and look for walls where you can see these different brick patterns, and you see here this different brick pattern. Then which wall will be the stronger here? This one, second one, this type of this. And different wall patterns again given here, photos of these three kinds of these brick walls. Can you see this different in the way the bricks are placed? Here bricks are placed in only different types of these places. Now match this photo of each wall with the correct drawing below. Then you match here this correct one. See this here bricks are given in this type. Then this one and this one match here. Again this second photo and this last one photo. You see these two photos are same. Then you match here, and this last one and this first one is same. Then you match here this brick pattern. Then this remaining part tomorrow. Okay, bye.